Hi there, people. Very excited to get this DJI Action 2. Bought this today myself, not sponsored by anyone. And I've got a drone job tomorrow, a building inspection, or a bridge inspection, shall we say, which involves looking in underneath the archways. So got my Mavic 2 there set up with a mount for looking straight up, or to put an action camera to look straight up. I was going to use this, and I was going to wait to the version that just had the battery packs. I didn't really think I needed this. I don't use these cameras for vlogging or anything. But when I looked at the specs, the battery pack one allows you to film for, I think it's 180 minutes, and this edition actually allows you to film for 160 minutes. So it is not a big heap of beans as far as the power advantage of just buying the half, which is a power station, if you know what I mean. And I wanted it now, as is the way. It's £100 more to buy this version, but and as I said, I got a job tomorrow, and I thought, what a perfect day to try it out. So let's have a quick open up. So we've got some information there. It tells you to download the DJI Mimo app, and it's got a few pictures of how to use it as on your neck magnetically. Some literature in there, and these are the two units. I just had a quick look, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to film this. So this is the actual camera unit. I'm going to do it one-handed, and let's pull off the tabs, the usual sort of high quality packaging. There we are, nice damaged one there. Now it's not damaged. Still got the cover on the lens. God, it weighs nothing. Let's weigh it. So I've got my scales here, switch on. We're going to do this in grams. It is set to grams. So that is 5.6, just as they tell you. Let's have a look there. The main reason I thought it'd be good to bring this out, I knew it was sorry, not 5.6, 56. I knew it was 56 already grams, but I thought I'd weigh the Action 1. That's 125. So the other reason I've bought this little jappy is to go on to FPV drones as well, which is something I'm getting into also. I have the Instago 2, which is a little oblong one, but I do love DJI stuff. And I'm not sure the quality of... it's not 4K, the Instago 2. So this is 4K, and it can do that at 120 frames per second if you want to slow it down nicely. So this is the other half, but I'm going to leave it there. We have some bits and bobs, some accessories in either side, but basically I'll need to get this all charged up and ready for the job tomorrow. I want to download the app, familiarise myself. I will be taking that as well, just as backup. Don't want to risk mucking up the job. So yeah, very excited. Thanks for watching, and I'll let you know when I can what the footage turns out like once the client's seen it and has okayed it. Okay, cheers now. Right, all set up, ready to go for my shoot tomorrow. But one thing I should warn you is that I couldn't find the Mimo app on the App Store anywhere. Certainly in Android I couldn't, and the only way you can get it, I think, is by using the QR code that appears when you first switch this on. And one other sort of slightly disappointing thing with this is that it does have a fantastic wide view, but it would be nice to have a choice of narrowing that down, because I'm going to be flying under railway arches tomorrow, and I kind of, with a narrow view, I'd be able to look at things nearer without having to get the drone as near. So we'll see how that goes. Just weighed actually the old Osmo and the new one as a pair of, as its full combo, and it's 3 grams lighter, so it's a little bit lighter than that. Feels heavier because it's metal, I think. It feels that way, but it is just a little bit lighter. And very quickly show some of the extras you get with it. So get a little ball joint there, which can go on the top of a camera tripod, a neck a necklace type thing with a magnet in it you wear it with, and what's already on the drone is sort of a classic GoPro type mount that's that I fixed. So I will put this tomorrow like that, and then I'll be able to film underneath these railway arches. Okay, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more similar stuff. Cheers now.